Hi, I'm Bob from the Lake of the Ozarks, MarineMax, and I'm here today with you in this nice December morning with some of our newest inventory. We have inventory here now. We have more on the way. This particular boat's a 250 Solstice with a 300. Beautiful boat. Center walk-through, dual helm, everything you need on this boat. It's got the tower, it's got the Simrad 9 at the dash, everything you need. And this particular boat is got the pillow top upholstery. It's smooth. It just feels like butter. It just melts when you sit on it. Like I said, it's got the dual helm seats right here, the Simrad 9, and we've got a JL audio, so when you're really going down the lake and want to crank it up, you can hear everything very well. It's got the total lighting package, interior and exterior. And we've got this boat today, but guess what? We won't have this boat the start of the summer. Spring season starts in about 2 weeks. January 1st, spring starts. Get down here and get your boat now. If you wait till spring, you won't have a boat. So we've got plenty now, we got more on order, but it is imperative that you get down here and see me or one of the guys here, and we'll get you into the boat that's gonna make you have a lot of fun this summer. So once again, my name's Bob. I'm also known as the Tune Man. So give me a call, 573-606-3212.